Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Firebase Cloud Messaging for iOS notifications, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Firebase Cloud Messaging for iOS notifications, begin by creating a new project in the Firebase console. Visit the Firebase console at console.firebase.google.com. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. Click on Add Project to create a new Firebase project. Enter your project name and click Continue. Select your Google Analytics preferences, then click Create Project. Next, click on the iOS icon to add an iOS app to your project. You will need to enter your iOS app's bundle ID. This bundle ID must match the one in your Xcode project. Click Register App once you have entered the required information. Now, download the Google Service Info.plist file provided. Drag and drop this file into your Xcode project. Ensure that it is added to the correct target. Now, install the Firebase SDK for your project. You can do this using CocoaPods. Open your terminal and navigate to your Xcode project directory. If you haven't initialized CocoaPods yet, run the command pod in it. Open the pod file created in your project directory. Add the following line, pod firebase/messaging. Save and close the pod file. In your terminal, run the command pod install to install the Firebase Messaging SDK. Once the installation is complete, open the .squarkspace file of your project. Next, configure Firebase in your app.delegate.swift file. Import Firebase by adding Import Firebase. In the application, _did finish launching with options method, configure Firebase. Add the necessary code to request authorization for notifications. Implement the UN User Notification Center Delegate protocol in your app delegate class. Now, create a method to handle the reception of the device token. Into your app delegate, implement the method application _did register for remote notifications with device token to retrieve the device token. Next, register for remote notifications by calling uiapplication.shared.register for remote notifications. To receive notifications, implement the method for handling received notifications in the UN User Notification Center Delegate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.